One of the exercises that we use in our facilitation is to ask somebody that's sitting next to you how they are. And you can't say the word fine. So you have to answer how you really are, finding other words. And it's a really quick but very effective way of saying, A, do we really say what we mean? And does the person listen to that as well? So it's one of the, small clips that we do to try and change some of the language that we're using when somebody asks us how we are.
As an employee and as a colleague, I think the responsibility is to know each other well enough to notice when something might be up and to feel confident enough to have a go at asking me how I am doing, to genuinely want to listen to the answer. Conversation is critical, more so than a policy, because the culture in the workplace is what drives the change, not really the policy. The policy can support it.
Although we are about the workplace, we're also about the normalisation of conversations and care. And it doesn't matter if you're queuing up in the coffee shop or if you're working in your office. Let's get more caring and more noticing going on, and let's get more truth about what you might be seeing rather than what newspapers and media and films have fed you over the years that make you frightened to speak.
And ask me how I am and stay long enough to listen to my answer.
You need to make the time. There's time to say hello. How are you?